Hi, I'm Todd Blackstock in downtown St. Louis at Busch Memorial Stadium, home of the St. Louis Cardinals. And today it's Media Day, and we're going to meet Bill DeWitt III, the president of the St. Louis Cardinals. We're going to meet several of the executives and vice presidents as they're going to show us around Busch Stadium and show us some of the improvements done on the offseason, including the new lighting. And we're going to head over to Ballpark Village to take a look at some new construction. We've got retail, residential, and lots of restaurant things going on over there, plus food. So stick around for this and much more coming up next on STL TV.
So I'm Kerry Emerson, the Director of Ticket Operations here at the St. Louis Cardinals, and new for this year we have eliminated our old print-at-home ticket delivery. You no longer have to print your paper ticket out at home. We have moved to a digital Ballpark app delivery, so you have access to your ticket right there on your phone. Bring it up, scan it at the gate, and you are good for entry. Right, and that's one reason why we moved to the Ballpark app, is to make it more secure and to eliminate all the forgeries that are out there. And so what we've also done is we've made the old paper ticket still available to you, so you can, if you want your ticket mailed to you, if you want your ticket picked up at will call, you still have that option.
The hard ticket?
Correct.
These are premium party suites. They're new for this season. Basically, we took 6 of our existing party suites, renovated them over the off-season, and enhanced the amenities for this area. Anyone can purchase a suite. They are private party suites. They accommodate 30 to 36, so if you want to get a group of your friends or family together, it's a great place to entertain.
2019 brings us the most impressive promotional list to date. Of course, we'll have fan favorites like bobbleheads, jerseys, and replica rings. In April alone, we have 10 giveaways. It really is, and we love to send fans home with an item that makes them remember their experience at the ballpark even more. So whenever they see the bobblehead on their shelf or they pull the jersey out of their closet, they remember that experience and the magical time that they had at the ballpark. Well, I love to see the fans' reactions whenever they open the boxes or whenever they throw the jersey on the second they walk through the gates. But then I love that it extends in the community beyond the giveaway date. So I know for some of these winter items, we will see them all winter long, as well as a lot of fans will bring the jerseys back with them to the game.
I think the number one thing is it's the guest coming to our home. And we want to make sure it's clean when they're here. We want to make sure when they get greeted by our event staff that they have an amazing time. And we're glad they're here. And we truly are happy that they're choosing to spend their entertainment dollar here at Busch Stadium.
No, there's absolutely a plan for Phase 3. And as part of Phase 2, we're putting about $8 million into enhanced streetscape and landscape. We're building a new city street called Cardinal Way on the north side of Phase 1 and Phase 2. And just north of that street are the future development sites for Phase 3, Phase 4, and we're already starting to think about those, and the market response to Phase 2 has been so strong that that's really accelerated our thoughts about Phase 3, and the plan is to keep on rolling and keep developing in this city and keep growing it.
Well, the theme this year is obviously powder blue with the new alternate jersey that got unveiled, but you're wearing one of the new side patch caps from New Era. It's the 5950 cap, but it's featuring all 11 of our World Series championship years, and it features the hat they wore that year as well as the patch that they commemorated their championship with on the side. So I've got the 2006 to commemorate the first year of this Busch Stadium, and you're wearing the 1926 version. Not so much raffles, but we do feature items of the series to showcase our new products that do come in. So we've got product, right now we've got product arriving daily. So there's something new coming up to the store on a regular basis. And then it'll slow down a little bit once the season starts. But we like to feature those new items, and we do try to showcase special price items when we can to offer that little bonus to the fans. Nope, unfortunately we're just in store, but we do have 14 locations throughout the ballpark on game days, as well as 5 other stores. So we're open in this main store 7 days a week from 10 to 6.
Cardinals Nation restaurant is open year-round, so we can't just have items that you want to be baseball specific only. We do have that. Last year we put hot dogs on the menu. They're double play dogs, so you get 2 hot dogs. They're enormous, and it's a local purveyor, D&W from South City that we use. We use a lot of local products everywhere we can, but we need to have items that people want year-round when it's not baseball season. So that's what we look at, and we have a museum on site, we have retail on site, we have things for you to do when you come, whether it's baseball or not. When you come here before a baseball game, we have the St. Louis Cardinals official pregame party. I like to say that it's the best 2.5 hours money can buy. It's 2.5 hours, all you can eat, all you can drink leading up to the game, kind of like a pep rally to get you ready for the fun that you're going to have in Busch Stadium. It's hosted by our house DJ. It's held on the second level right above us here, the second level of Cardinals Nation. Best advice for fans is take advantage of our 2.5-hour pregame party before every single home Cardinals game. And like I said earlier, it is the best 2.5 hours money can buy. Tickets for that are available at cardinals.com/pregame.
I think that from the fan's perspective, I think just the quality of the light. You know, we'll have a lighting product that'll be 50% better than the old lighting system. Our old lighting system met all the Major League Baseball standards, so we met what we needed to be. We were good, but now we'll be great. We'll have the best lighting system in outdoor sports. Well, hopefully, like I said, you should be able to see the ball much better. You know, we'd like to feel that we're giving them a top quality environment in which to play the game, and now from a lighting standpoint, it'll be the best that they'll see in any outdoor facility.
Well, I'm excited how I think we've improved the club. First of all, it always starts with the product on the field, right? And so I think fans are excited. The team sort of started out hitting a little slow in the spring and then turned it on, and we've got great pitching depth and some young up-and-comers. So that part of it, we're all excited about. I think so too. You know, St. Louis is just a unique baseball town. I mean, we're not a big market, but we act like it because our fans are so good, and they come and they're great with their season tickets. They're great with their support of watching the product on FSN. And then we get a lot of travelers coming in on the summer weekends, and it sort of makes us feel like we're bigger than we are, and that's a great thing. But they've done it for so many years in a row that it really is a self-fulfilling prophecy. We can act like a big market club because of that great fan support, and I think Paul's going to see that. And we've been successful in the past with players who have come from the coast, maybe bigger markets, and they come to St. Louis and they kind of go, wait a minute, I didn't know about this. This is pretty incredible. And it's just a feeling, a vibe. There's the history, there's the tradition, and there's the winning tradition. And hopefully they can be a part of that into the future as well.
St. Louis Cardinals are one of the classiest organizations of all of professional sports, and it all starts at the top with the DeWitt family. Thanks a lot, Bill.
Appreciate it. Thanks for coming.